Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RLFTF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, after today's day, we have more data, and it seems as though from a bigger picture perspective, an overall, very typical pattern is forming, and it's really the location of the pattern that matters most, and I'll get to that here in a second. But let's just first focus on the pattern that's actually forming. I'm going to actually squeeze things down just to offer up more context here. But let's see. Let's make it easy to see. There we go. So the pattern that is formed, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos I've done, but is just the good old-fashioned sideways channel pattern. Now that we have more data, like I said, it's become very apparent that the top of the channel is right up there, that red line, which sits right around the 72-cent mark. And then the bottom of the channel, especially after today's price went, it's bounced from that level before at right around 54. But then today when the price came down here and essentially bounced off 54 again, just that much more confirmation that, all right, yeah, this level is an area of support. So that's going to be the bottom portion of the sideways channel. And then, yeah, as of now, it's really just over the past few days, price just chopping around back and forth, back and forth. I don't say any of this in a negative way. If anything, that leads into the next part, and that would be, all right, well, it's a sideways channel, but I mean, who's kind of got the edge? Who's more than likely to win out? And while there's no such thing as a guarantee, the edge has got to go to the bulls. Why does the edge have to go to the bulls? Well, let's look at the context of this sideways channel. The sideways channel is happening in a bullish environment. How is bullish environment being defined? Well, let's take a look here at this pink line, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 200-period moving average. And I mean, even if you have a surface-deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200-period, and you know that when the price is up above it, and then that has the line itself has a nice slope to it, which this one does. I mean, nice upwards trend. That does imply that the overall environment is bullish. Now, that doesn't mean that it's guaranteed to keep going up, but as far as what's more than likely to happen than not, you just got to give the advantage to the bulls. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, as of right now, the easiest way to summarize this is just 30-minute time frame, sideways channel pattern. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.